welcome back to another CV Linens video. Today we're going to show you guys how you can spray paint your pipe sets. When spray painting, we do recommend to do it outdoors and put some cardboard down because it can get a little messy. We went ahead and chose a gold metallic color that we found at our local craft store. We do advise using a mask just because of all of the paint being inhaled may not be too good for you. Once our pieces went ahead and dried, we then lined everything up to begin assembling our pipe set. Once our pipe set was at the lowest height, we began to add our floral pieces. We created a floral piece and attached it to the pipe set using lots of zip ties. We then added our greenery garland and intertwined it with some foam DIY roses. This pipe set can go with any outdoor event and any indoor event. We hope you've enjoyed this DIY idea that you can do with your pipe sets. Don't forget to stop by some of our social pages to get some more event inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.